Yo, what's up, Familia? We're here in Barcelona, and behind me is the legendary Sagrada Familia. Gaudi went full genius with this one. Unreal.
Street churros and melted chocolate naan. Messy, sweet, and absolutely necessary. This is why I travel. Park Güell is like stepping into a candy-colored dream. Gaudi really said, no boring lines allowed.
Beach on one side, city on the other. I'm cruising the Barcelona boardwalk with the breeze in my fur. Life's good.
Don't know if this building's alive or melting, but it's dope either way. Gaudi. Certified artistic maniac.
First sip of sangria hits like a vacation starter pack. Sweet, fruity, and stronger than it looks.
This market is wild.
Barcelona, you've been heat. Sunset, skyline, sangria sea. Tomorrow we ride out to Madrid. Let's keep it moving.
What's up from Madrid? This royal palace is massive. I feel like I need to bow just walking past it. Let's see what royalty tastes like.
Tortilla española, eggs, potatoes, and magic. I could eat like 5 of these and not feel bad. I won't, but I could.
Found a fire little streetwear shop. Madrid's got style if you know where to look. Might need an extra bag for souvenirs. Jamón Ibérico. Salty, silky, and straight up luxurious. Spain knows what it's doing with pork, man. Just finished the Prado. Goya, Velázquez, heavy hitters. Even this gorilla can appreciate classic art.
Temple of Debod at golden hour. Magical. Feels like time just slows down here. Madrid's got soul.
Espresso this strong should come with a warning label. But I'm wide awake and vibin'.
Welcome to Ibiza. Pulled up on a boat like a boss. Ocean's popping in, and I already feel the energy shift.
Caught a mini street fest. Music, food, joy everywhere. I said I wouldn't dance again, but here we are.
Don't judge me. Woo! Water's perfect. Salt in my fur, sun on my face. This is what freedom tastes like. Beach club is lit. House music, neon drinks, and good vibes everywhere. Let's party! Madrid's been classy, flavorful, and fresh. Now we head to Ibiza. Time to flip the script. Let's get wild. Gotta recharge between parties. Smoothie bowl, ocean breeze, and a moment of peace before round 2. From Barcelona's streets to Ibiza cliffs, Spain gave me culture, flavor, and rhythm. Beach club is lit. House music, neon drinks, and good vibes everywhere. Let's party!